Just a quick video today on how to play a record. So what you're first going to want to do is select which record you want to play. You want to slide it out of the inner sleeve like so, fingers on the label on the inside, palm of your hand on the outside. Keep the main palm off the grooves. You don't want any oil transfer from your hands onto your playing surface. Next, you're going to want to pop the correct side you wish to play, so that's side B, I want side A. Sometimes it can be 1, 2, 3 or 4, etc. So select the right side, pop it on over the spindle in the center of your platter. Start your turntable, let it get up to speed. Next step is to give it a quick clean if you have these tools. So this is a carbon fiber bristle brush that you can use. Its main purpose is just to remove any dust or hair and static that's built up on the label. So I go from the vinyl to the center spindle, which will remove static. There's 3 different methods that you can use. So just give it a quick clean off like so. But I'll show you those 3 different methods now. So the first method you have is what I just showed you. So from there into the center spindle that you can see to the right of my hand, like so. Next is sweeping towards you, so that just angling the brush back so that both rows of bristles will collect dust, and the third is out to the side of the vinyl like so. So this is just the sweeping one I can show you, the 2 rows of bristles. So sweep back like so. Beautiful. What you're going to want to do next, if you have it, is use a stylus brush. So this just cleans any dust off the stylus or needle, if you prefer to call it that. So it's important to go from the back of the stylus to the front, and I'll do it about 2 or 3 times just to make sure I get everything off. So I'll do a close-up shot here so you can see what I'm talking about, going back to front. So there's my stylus, as you can see that little needle. So back to front, because if you go front to back you run the risk of snapping your stylus off. And lastly, pick up your tone arm, place it over the groove where you want to play from, and then lower it. Some turntables do this automatically, and here's a close-up shot of how to do it. So pick up your tone arm, place it over, you're going to lower and close your cover if you have one to prevent any dust buildup. Thanks very much, guys.